The TY-3R amphibious rescue drone system is a high-tech water surface rescue device developed from the technological achievements of the Key Laboratory of the Ministry of Emergency Management. It features a compact structure, lightweight design, stable flight, and reliable performance. With a takeoff weight of less than 5 kilograms, a maximum flight speed exceeding 13 meters per second, and a flight time of over 10 minutes, it can operate stably in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius and at altitudes up to 4,200 meters. The TY-3R is designed to withstand harsh marine and weather conditions with an IP68 protection rating, allowing it to be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 1 hour. It can resist winds up to 6 scale and sea states up to 2. The system is easy to operate, making it accessible for everyone to learn. It is widely used in rivers, seas, lakes, tourist areas, large wetland parks, fleets, yachts, offshore drilling platforms, freshwater aquaculture, and flood-prone areas for water rescue operations. It is suitable for public safety, maritime police, fishery administration, fire emergency, and tourism management departments. Through its quick response and intelligent control, the TY-3R effectively reduces the risk to rescue personnel, making it particularly useful in complex areas where large rescue equipment is inconvenient to use, significantly improving the efficiency and safety of rescue operations.